Quick Learn Academy. Imagine pouring a glass of water onto a sponge. Now imagine pouring the same glass of water onto a plastic table. The sponge absorbs it. The table floods. Cities behave more like the plastic table. So today, let's answer this question scientifically and simply. What really causes flooding in cities? Urban flooding happens when rainwater accumulates faster than a city can absorb or drain it. In nature, the ground works like a sponge. Water slowly seeps in, gets stored, or flows gently into rivers. But cities change that natural system. Think of it like replacing a sponge with a stack of plates. Water has nowhere to go. Concrete, asphalt, and rooftops are called impermeable surfaces. They don't let water pass through. Here's an analogy. Rain falling on soil is like money deposited into a bank, stored safely underground. Rain falling on concrete is like cash thrown onto the street. It runs away fast. The more concrete a city has, the faster rainwater turns into surface runoff, rushing toward low areas all at once. That sudden rush is what triggers flooding. Drainage systems are like drinking straws. If you sip water slowly, the straw works fine. But try pouring an entire bottle through the same straw at once. Water spills everywhere. City drains are designed for normal rainfall, not extreme downpours. When rainfall becomes too intense, the straw is too small. Water backs up. Streets flood. And if trash blocks the drain, that's like pinching the straw shut. Wetlands and green spaces act like natural sponges and reservoirs. They temporarily store water, then release it slowly. When cities remove wetlands, it's like throwing away your umbrella, then complaining when you get wet. Without these natural buffers, rainwater immediately flows into streets and homes. Climate change doesn't always mean more rainy days, but it often means stronger rain. Think of rain like buckets being poured from the sky. Before, rain came in small buckets over many hours. Now the sky dumps bigger buckets in a shorter time. Even good drainage systems struggle when too much water arrives too fast. Throwing trash into drains is like blocking the emergency exit of a crowded building. When water tries to escape, it has no path, so it spreads everywhere. Building houses on natural waterways is like parking a car in the middle of a road, then wondering why traffic stops. Water always follows physics, not rules or boundaries. Urban flooding is not caused by rain alone. It's like too much water, too little space, too many blockages. In short, cities flood when natural water systems are replaced with rigid, overloaded, and poorly maintained structures. Flooding is not just a natural disaster. It's often a design problem. If we build cities like sponges instead of plastic tables, if we keep the straws clear, and if we respect natural water pathways, flooding becomes less destructive and more manageable. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Right here, where learning is quick, clear, and meaningful.